Hello everyone, welcome back. I went ahead and did a very simple background. Because the focus will be on the dog, not on the background. So what you may want to do, if you don't want to go into detail, just simply create a green background. Could be not very light, but something similar to this. Now I'm starting with an angle brush. Now notice that I'm creating the top of the head for the dog, but I'm doing it at an angle. Very important that you do it at an angle as opposed to in a straight line. With the same brush, I'm going to go ahead and create what will look almost like a heart. That's the shape that I'm concentrating for the dog. Now I'll go ahead with the angle brush and do the inside. Now right up here, I'm going to create the other ear. Almost like a pointy heart. Just go over it. Now with a little foam circle that you can buy anywhere in any art supply store, I create the eyes and the nose. Now you can use a small angle brush or a filbert brush to fill in the brown as shown here. See how quickly it begins to look like the face of a dog. Now I think I'm going to fix the face a little bit more so that the face will be thinner for the dog. Again, you saw how easy it was to fix. Just has the same green and let it dry. Let that green dry. But while it's drying, you can go ahead and do something else. Now blend it in with the green that's already there. Some of the highlights, and again I'm not blending here, just simply something simple just to show you the beginners how to do this. Later on, or in other videos, I show you how to do the blending. Okay, now it's time for the shadows. So I'm using a very, very light blue. I'm creating the mask here for the dog. Always remember to do a mask when you're dealing with eyes, whether for humans or dogs or any other animal. Now, more shadows. Shadows on the ears. There we go. More shadow. Aha, let's do the mouth here. Very simple. Now I have with white a very small, either a liner or angle brush. Create the hair that comes out on the outside of the face. Let's add a little more shadow. That's what I was talking about. And go back and fix that. Now with a small brush I'm adding a brown, dark brown to the eyes. Notice that's becoming more real now. I'm looking at the eyes and probably need to fix the black inside to make the brown a little smaller. There we go, very easy to fix that. Again, fixing is very easy with acrylics. Just to show the shine on the eyes. You just do that with a liner. Now to fix some details here. Now it's time to create the body of the dog. Very simple. Notice I'm using an angle brush right around the ear. Okay, now I'm doing the rest of the body. Okay, now I notice right away a mistake that I made. I made the dog a little too chubby. So I'm going to have to go ahead a little later. Let me just work around the background. And then later on go back and fix the body on the dog. This will allows time for the white to dry. Now I'll go ahead and pick up some of that green and decrease the size of the body. So how simple that was? Very simple. I'm keeping the colors flat. Let me do a little shadow here around the neck. Let's see what else we can do here. Okay, I made the collar a little big, so I'm going to go ahead with white and go ahead and decrease the size of the collar. Not by much, but just a little bit. You see how quickly we're able to do that. So it's an easy way to go ahead and paint the dog. And of course you can change the colors of the dog, whether they're black or brown or whatever. Well, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.